Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video on drivinglessonscork.ie. Now, today folks, we're going to go through 5 things you need to know about stopping your car. If you like the video, please do click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We like to help people as much as we can with our little tutorial videos on driving, and this is another one of those videos. So folks, first thing you need to know about stopping. When you're stopping, you should be pressing the brake before you press the clutch. The brake stops the car, folks, but a couple of meters out from stopping, you also need to press the clutch in that stage as well as the brake. Okay? A lot of people will tell you it's clutch before brake, but folks, you need to press the brake before the clutch. If you do it the other way around, you're going to run into trouble in the driving test. So when you're stopping your car, do press the brake to stop the car, and then also pressing the clutch after you've pressed the brake with about 7 meters to go from your stopping position. Number 2, related to stopping. Now, this may appear a simple thing, but when you come up to a stop line, do stop fully at the stop line. Some people just come up towards the stop line, have a quick cursory glance, and if there's nobody coming, they just keep on driving the car. Now, it's a simple thing, folks. Stop at the stop line. If you look here at the rules of the road here, folks, section 9 on junctions and roundabouts, where it talks about stop signs, it says here, if you see a stop sign shown below, you must stop at the sign or at the stop line on the road if provided, even if there is no traffic on the road you would like to enter. Okay? And it gives a little sketch there of a stop line, which is, as you can see here, a continuous white line. So folks, do stop at the stop lines. Okay, folks? Too many people have been faulted in the driving test for not stopping at the stop lines, and it's a needless fault to get. Okay? Now, when you're stopping also, folks, ideally, if time allows now, try and stop the car in second gear. Okay? Now, you are allowed to stop in other gears in, for example, emergency stopping procedures when the need arises. Okay? But if time allows, folks, try and get down to second gear for stopping. And leave it in second gear until you're stopped, and then take off in first gear as well. Some people just kind of, they would slip the gear stick to neutral for the last couple of meters as they're rolling up towards the stop line, but that would be considered to be a form of coasting. Okay? When the car is moving, you should always have it in a gear. Okay? So folks, again, if time allows, ideally stop in second gear. Fourth thing about stopping, is that if you're stopping in traffic behind another vehicle, try and stop so that you can see a little bit of tarmac and the tires of the vehicle in front. Okay? Couple of technical reasons there, folks. Basically, if you stop and you see a little bit of tarmac and tires, you're a nice little distance back from the car in front, and you won't be sucking in their exhaust fumes through your air vents, possibly. Also, if you're stopped on a hill and you're a little bit back from the car in front, if they roll back on takeoff, hopefully they won't roll back into you. Thirdly, if, God forbid, somebody drives into the back of your car will not be pushed into the car in front. You'd have a difficult time explaining to the insurance company of the car driver in front of you, if you hit them, that it was not your fault. Okay, folks? So stop a little bit back from the traffic in front when you're stopping in traffic. See tarmac, a little bit of tarmac, and the tires of the vehicle in front touching the ground. And finally, the fifth thing about stopping your car is, if you do stop on a hill, and again, it's simple enough, do not come off the foot brake if you're stopping on a hill until you have the handbrake pulled up. Okay, folks? In the driving test, you would be expected, if you stop on a hill, to use the handbrake. Okay? That is the best procedure when you're stopping on a hill, is to use the handbrake to stop the car from rolling back when you want to go and take off. Okay, folks? Hopefully you like this video. Please do click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video. Until our next video, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.